Hi friends, welcome to Unacademy, India's largest online learning app. We are going to provide you support for IIT, JEE, NEET, UGC, then SSC exams, MPSC, UPSC class 9, 10th, 11th and 12th also. You can ace your final exams with Unacademy Plus subscription. So Unacademy Plus subscription is at flat 10% off discount. So, dear learners, welcome to the class. I am Trupti Deshmukh. I have done my Masters of Computer Engineering. So, I am going to teach you subjects like C, C++, C Sharp, ASP.NET, programming in Python, as well as I am going to teach you the subjects like information technology for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, and also computer science for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. So, please वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द टुडेस लेक्चर. सो हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज के लेक्चर में हम लोग सम ऑफ दिस बेसिक सैम्पल केसेस फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व इट. ठीक है. सो अभी देखिए, अभी पैटर्न कैसे रहेगा वो पहले हम लोग देखते हैं, फिर उसके बाद हम जो है डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चन पेपर को सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. सो देखिए, आपके लिए टाइम जो रहेगा 2 आवर्स का रहेगा. दैट इज योर टाइम विल बी टोटली फॉर द 2 आवर्स एंड मैक्सिमम मार्क्स विल बी फॉर द 50. यस, मैक्सिमम मार्क्स आपको कितने मिलेंगे? 50. दैट इज 50. सो जो जनरल इंस्ट्रक्शंस जो है वो मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. सो फर्स्टली प्लीज रीड द इंस्ट्रक्शंस केयरफुली. So now this question paper consists of the 21 questions in two sections. It will be 21 questions in two sections. So section A and section B. ऐसे दो sections जो है आपके question paper में जो है वो रहेंगे. Okay. So likewise we are going to solve this. ठीक है. Section A has the objective type questions and whereas the section B contains subjective type questions. सेक्शन ए में टोटली ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन रहेंगे, जैसे कि एमसीक्यूज, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस विल बी देयर, राइट. एंड सेक्शन बी विल बी द सब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस. मतलब यहाँ पर कैसे रहेगा सेक्शन बी में आपके लिए? सब्जेक्टिव टाइप मीन्स आपको डिस्क्रिप्टिव उसके आंसर जो एक्चुअल लिखने हैं. सो बट सेक्शन ए में आपको क्या करने हैं? एमसीक्यूज जो है वो टोटली सॉल्व करने हैं. सो नाउ आउट ऑफ द गिवन 16.5 is equals to, that is what, totally 21 questions. A candidate has to answer 5 plus 10, that is 15 questions. ठीक है. आपको आउट ऑफ द 21 क्वेश्चंस आपको कितने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं? दैट इज 15 क्वेश्चंस इन अलॉटेड मैक्सिमम टाइम ऑफ 2 आवर्स. ठीक है. आपको आवर्स कितने रहेंगे? देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, आपको जो IT इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी की जो रहेगा दैट विल बी 2 आवर्स मैक्सिमम यू आर गोइंग टू हैव इट. So the all questions of a particular section must be attempted in the corrected order. So the order जो है वो आप लोग क्या कीजिए? properly follow कीजिए. So likewise you are going to solve or you are going to attempt all the questions in the correct orders. So अभी देखिए, the section 1 के बारे में थोड़ा सा मैं और डिटेल में बताऊंगी. सेक्शन 1 में, सेक्शन ए में आपको कैसे रहेगा? ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस. ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे आपको 24 मार्क्स के लिए. ठीक है. So this question is going to have the 5 questions, that is this section is going to have the 5 questions and mark allotted are mentioned against the each questions or part. So यहाँ पर there will be no any negative marking and जो आपको लोगों को पहले instructions दिए हैं, so do as per the instructions given there. Then the section B will be the subjective type question that will be for 26 mark. मतलब यहाँ पर क्या आपको write करना है? आपको descriptive questions जो है उसके answers यहाँ पर देने. So this question is going to have totally 16 questions. Totally questions कितने रहेंगे आपके लिए? 16 questions जो है आपके लिए यहाँ पर रहेंगे. Okay. And candidate has to do 10 questions. मतलब out of 16 आपको कितने questions solve करने हैं students? 10 questions जो है आपको solve करने हैं. And you have obviously you are going to have the all the instructions. ये instructions हैं. So please ये instructions जो है follow करें and question paper solve करने की try करें. So do as per the instructions given and marks allotted are mentioned against each question and each part. So let us start with today's question paper. Hi friends, so we will start with the today's question paper. So we are going to conduct section A, that is objective type questions firstly. So the question number 1 is answer any 4 out of the given 6 questions based on the employability skills. There will be 4 questions Each one will be carrying 1 mark, and that is total 4 marks are there. So the question number 1 is dash is the means by which message is sent. So the options are A data, B channel, C receiver, and D none of these. Your time starts now. So time up. Your correct answer is B channel. Yes, channel is the means by which message is sent. So we will move towards the next question. Question number 2. Dash stress is a result of unexpressed worries. So the answers are A internal, B environmental, C external, and D survival. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is internal stress. Yes, internal stress is a result of unexpressed worries. So in the chapter of the stress management, you have already studied these concepts. So we will move towards the question number 3. That is, dash can be used for adding pictures in the presentations. So the answers are A gallery, B slide, C clip art gallery, and D none of these. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is C clip art gallery. Clip art gallery can be used for adding pictures in the presentation. So we will move towards the next question. An entrepreneur must form contacts with dash to analyze the market. So the options are A planning, B competitors, C self confident, and D none of these. Just try to figure out the answer. So the correct answer is competitors. Yes, an entrepreneur must form contacts with the competitors to analyze the market. Then we will move towards the next question. Dash brings about changes in people's knowledge, attitude, and skills. So options are A, sustainable development, B, natural resources, C, both A and B, and lastly D, none of these. So the correct answer is A, sustainable development. Yes, the sustainable development brings about changes in people's knowledge, attitude, and skills. So we will move towards the next question. Dash plays a major role in reaction to stress. So the options are A, personality, B, positive attitude, C, behavior, and D, none of these. So the correct answer is personality. So personality plays a major role in reaction to stress. So we will move towards the question number 2, right? That is answer any 5 out of the given 6 questions. So each question is going to carry 1 mark. So 5 questions will be for 5 marks. So the question number 1 is page margins are the dash. The options are A, cell, B, horizontal space, C, blank spaces, and D, vertical spaces. So the correct answer is C, blank spaces. Page margins are the blank spaces. So we will move towards the next question. Dash is the rectangular area of the document window where you can type the text. The options are A, work area, B, notes area, C, data area, and D, none of these. So try to figure out the correct answer, students. It's very easy question. So the correct answer is work area. Work area is the rectangular area of the document window where you can type the text. So we will move towards the next question. The default data type for a field is options are A, character, that is char, B int, that is integer, C text, and D none of these. So the correct answer is text. The default data type for a field is text. So we will move towards the next question. The term dash is derived from the words interconnection and networks. So the options are A connection, B internet, C both A and B, and lastly D none of these. So try to figure out the answers fast. So the correct answer is internet. The term internet is derived from the words interconnection and networks. The next question is a or an dash that identifies a specific computer on the internet. So the options are A username, B domain name, C email, and D none of these. It's very easy. Just try to find out the correct answer. So the correct answer is a domain name. Yes, the correct answer is domain name, a domain name that identifies a specific computer on internet. So we will move towards the next question. AutoSum option is available in dash. Options are A home tab, B view tab, C insert tab, and D layout tab. Yes, try to find out the correct answer. So AutoSum ऑप्शन किस में होता है? माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल में होता है और कौन से टैब में अवेलेबल होता है? द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज होम टैब. So AutoSum option is available in home tab. So we will move towards the next question, that is question number 3. Answer any 5 out of the given 6 questions. So same pattern रहेगा जैसे कि question number 2 का था. Each question is going to carry 1 mark and there will be total 5 marks for 5 questions. 1 question is extra additional. So the question number 1 is The status of your document, like current page and number of pages, are given by dash. Formatting toolbar, status toolbar, then standard toolbar, and lastly none of these. Try to find out answers quickly. So the correct answer is status bar. Yes, the status of your document, like current page number and number of pages, are given by status bar. So we will move towards the next question. That is, first network was, the answer options are A, ARPANET, B, Internet, C, NSFNet, and lastly D, NET, that is net. So the correct answer is ARPANET. The first network was ARPANET. So we will move towards the next question. Dash object includes effects such as shadows, outlines, colors, gradients, and 3D effects. The options are A, word art, B, clip art, C, data and lastly clip. So time up. The correct answer is clip art. Clip art object includes effects such as shadows, outlines, colors, gradients, and 3D effects. So we will move towards the next question. A worksheet is dash a collection of workbooks, B processing software, C combination of rows and columns, and D none of these. So just try to figure out the answer. It's very easy question, students. So the correct answer is combination of rows and columns. A worksheet is a combination of rows and columns. So we will move towards the next question, that is question number 5. Dash is a set of programs that lies between the stored data and the users of the database. So the options are A software, B hardware, C network, and lastly D all of these. Just try to figure out the answer. So the correct answer is software. Yes, software is a set of programs that lies between the stored data and the users of the database. So we will move towards the next question. Satellite which is orbiting around the dash provide necessary links for telephone and television service. So the answers are A wire, B earth, C station, and D all of these. It's a very easy question. Just try to figure out the answer for this. Satellites which are orbiting around the dash provide necessary links for telephone and television services. So the correct answer is Earth. Satellites which are orbiting around the Earth provide necessary links for telephone and television services. So we will move towards the question number 4, that is answer any 5 out of the given 6 questions. So let us start with the question number 4. यहाँ पर देखिए पैटर्न कैसा है, 5 questions will be for 5 marks, that is each question is going to carry 1 mark. So अभी हम लोग क्या करते हैं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 स्टार्ट करते हैं. The linked data is stored in the dash. The options are A destination file, B web file, C source file, and lastly D domain file. Let's try to figure out the correct answer, students. So the linked data is stored in source file. The correct answer is source file. So we will move towards the next question. Dash shortcut key is used to enter current time in a cell. So the options are A control plus shift plus semicolon, then control plus shift plus colon, then shift plus control plus colon, then control plus semicolon. So which shortcut key is used to enter current time in a cell? So the correct answer is control plus shift plus semicolon. Yes, control plus shift plus semicolon shortcut key is used to enter current time in a cell. So we will move towards the next question. Field is the individual subcomponent of one dash. The answers are A record, B column, C data, and D none of these. Just try to find out the answer fastly, students. It's a very easy question. So the correct answer is A, record. Field is the individual subcomponent of one record. I hope you understood these things. The question number 4 is, in www, that is World Wide Web, a client is called, the options are A, web server, B, web pages, C, web browsers, and D, none of these. So the correct answer is web browser. In www, our client is called web browser. So the next question is, duplication of data is known as dash. A, data security, B, data incomplete, C, data redundancy, and lastly D, none of these. So the correct answer, that is duplication of data, is known as data redundancy. Data redundancy is the correct option. Obviously, in the databases, you have studied this concept, that is duplication of data is known as data redundancy. So we will move towards the next question. Internet is the network of, options are A, networks, B, value, C, data, and D, pages. So the correct answer is internet is a network of networks. So correct answer is networks. Then we are moving towards the next question, that is the last question of the section A. Answer any 5 out of the given 6 questions. So each question is going to carry 1 mark each, and there will be total 5 marks. So the question number 1, the workbook views options allow user to view or see the dash differently. First one is data, option B is sale, option C is spreadsheet, and D, none of these. So the correct answer is C, spreadsheet. The workbook views options allow user to view or see the spreadsheet differently. Then we will move towards the next question. Question number 2. Template includes dash text that is surrounded by the brackets. The options are A, margin, B, placeholder, C, data source, and D, track changes. It's very easy, students. Try to figure out the answers. So the correct answer is template includes option number B, placeholder. Yes, template includes placeholder text that is surrounded by the brackets. Template includes placeholder text that is surrounded by the brackets. So the next question, that is question number 3, is for what memo data type is used? So the options are A, to add table, B, to store objects created in other programs, C, for long text entries, and D, for short text entries. So time starts now. So the correct answer is for long text entries. Yes, memory type is used for long text entries. So the next question, question number 4. A router passes packets from one network to another network based on their dash, not MAC addresses. The options are A, IP address, B, URL, C, web address, and D, none of these. So the correct answer is IP address. A router passes data packets from one network to another network based on their IP addresses, not MAC addresses. Then question number 5. Dash is the main region of the chart in which your data is plotted. First option 1A, chart area, B, plot area, C, data label, and D, data series. So the correct answer is A, chart area. Then last question is the LAN stands for, options are A, large area network, B, local area network, C, local area networking, and lastly D, none of these. All the LAN stands for. It's very easy, you know the answer. The answer is B, local area network. So the LAN stands for B, local area network. Okay, that's all for today's lecture, students. We will continue with the section B, that is subjective type questions, in the next session. Till then, bye. So friends, at the end of the session, let me tell you about the offers for both Iconic and Plus subscribers. जी हाँ, हमारी जो ऑफर है Iconic और Plus सब्सक्राइबर के लिए, it is going to end on 31st July 2021 Saturday. So there किस बात के, let me tell you about the mega offers, exciting mega offers for CBSE classes from class 6 to class 10. देखिए ऑफर जो है ऐसी है, सपोज आपके पास सीबीएसई का सब्सक्रिप्शन है फॉर लाइक 12, 15 एंड 18 months, देन यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द फ्री सीबीएसई सब्सक्रिप्शन फॉर 2 months. यस, टोटली. अगर आपके पास सीबीएसई का सब्सक्रिप्शन है दैट इज फॉर 24, 36 एंड 48 months, देन यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द फ्री सीबीएसई सब्सक्रिप्शन फॉर 4 months. And if you are going to have the 60, 72 and 84 months CBSE subscription, then you are going to get the totally 6 months free CBSE subscription. So there की बात की है students, just please enroll for that. And yes, obviously, if you are having the Creative Corner subscription for the 12, 15 and 18 months, so आपको 2 months का subscription जो है वो totally free मिलेगा. And if you are having the subscription for the 24, 36 and 48 months for Creative Corner subscription, then you are going to get the totally 4 months free subscription. So likewise, if you are having the subscription for 60, 72 and 84 months for Creative Corner subscription, then you are going to get totally 6 months, obviously, totally free subscription for Creative Corner subscriptions. So student, if you are excited for the दिस मेगा ऑफर्स, तो जल्दी से जल्दी जो है आपका आइकॉनिक और प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो एनरोल कीजिए. यस, ऑफर इज गोइंग टू एंड ऑन 31st July 2021. So please note down the date and subscribe to our Unacademy Iconic as well as the plus subscription. So as including that, you are going to get the flat 10% discount on purchasing plus subscription for all duration. अगर आप लोग कोई भी plus subscription लोगे तो उसके लिए आपको 10% डिस्काउंट मिलेगा फॉर ऑल ड्यूरेशंस. So friends, let me tell you about the CBSE latest guidelines, and these guidelines are live on Unacademy. Yes, so our new batches are going to start from the 19th July for CBSE classes 9 and class 10. So देखिए बैच जो है, this will be totally dedicated to the term 1. And yes, obviously your term 1 is going to end in the 3 months. So term 1 is very much near. And yes, our new CBSE guidelines are totally followed while we are designing our courses. So our courses are completely aligned with the new CBSE guidelines. Yes, obviously, and all subjects are included in this CBSE latest syllabus also. Yes, obviously, the term is going to have the same, that is we are going to have Hindi as well as English language as the mode of delivery. So हमारी जो language रहेगी वो हिंदी भी रहेगी और English भी रहेगी. So you can have as per your convenience and as per your requirements. So there किस बात की students, so just try to enroll for these things so that you will have the more benefits for the Unacademy plus as well as Iconic subscriptions. So let me tell you about the mega launch Mondays. Yes, अभी हर महीने की तरह इसमें आने वाले महीने, that is for the August month is also we are having the mega launch Mondays. So we are going to have the new batches for doubt clearing and NCERT exercises. And yes, obviously it is going to start from the 2nd August 2020. जी हाँ, 2 अगस्त 2021 को जो है हमारी न्यू बैचेस स्टार्ट होने वाली है फॉर डाउट क्लियरिंग एंड NCERT exercises. So ये क्लासेस जो रहेंगे CBSE क्लास 10 के लिए रहेंगे. For term 1, we are going to focus on the batches like Maths, Science, English, Hindi and SST. So यहाँ पर भी हम आपको क्या रहेगा, डेडिकेटेड टीचर्स रहेंगे एंड वी आर गोइंग टू हैव ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स इंक्लूडेड एंड द डेट इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द 2nd August 2020. So note down this yet and enroll for the mega launch Mondays. And obviously we are going to have the unacademy batches. हमारे जो batches है, our new batches are going to start on every Monday. So there are some challenges batches also. They are going to start on the 2nd August 2021. So in the previous slide, I have told you about the class 10. So let me tell you about the class 9s also. So देखिए क्लास 9 के challenges basis रहेंगे. The subjects which are going to be included are like the maths is there, science is there, English is there, Hindi is there, and SST, that is social sciences, are also included in our new unacademy batches. So हमारे batches जो the new batches are going to start on the every Monday, and we are going to have the expert teachers regarding that particular subjects also. So for class 9 and class 10th, we are going to have the new batches for on every Monday and mega launch. That's why it is called mega launch Mondays. So students, let me tell you about the Unacademy Plus as well as Iconic subscription. देखिए आपको दो टाइप के सब्सक्रिप्शन मिलेंगे. Let me tell you firstly about the plus subscription. Plus subscription क्या है देखिए. The plus subscription is basic plan to get started. Yes. So plus subscription में अगर आप लोग जाएंगे तो आपको क्या बोलेगा, India's best educators will be included there. Then we are going to have the interactive live classes. आपकी क्लासेस जो इंटरेक्टिव लाइव रहेंगी. उसके बाद we are going to have the live tests and live quizzes also. जैसे कि previous lectures में भी हम लोगों ने लिए थे. And yes, our course will be total structured courses and PDFs. So notes regarding that particular subject will be also provided for the students. So these are all the benefits of the plus subscription. So likewise we are going to have the iconic subscription. देखिए iconic subscription में क्या कर सकते हैं, you are going to take your CBSE preparation to the next level with personal mentor. जी हाँ, यहाँ पर आपके लिए एक personal mentor रहेगा. So iconic subscription में भी क्या रहेंगी, plus subscription की सारी चीजें रहेंगी, जैसे India's best educator, then interactive live classes, then live tests and quizzes, then structured courses and PDFs will be there. So iconic में एक एडवांटेज क्या रहेगा, यू आर गोइंग टू हैव द पर्सनल मेंटर. यस, आपके लिए खुद का एक पर्सनल मेंटर रहेगा. देन यू आर गोइंग टू हैव द लाइव डाउट सॉल्यूशंस. आपके डाउट्स जो है उसके लिए लाइव सॉल्यूशंस आप लोगों को मिलेंगे. देन नेक्स्ट यू आर गोइंग टू हैव द पेरेंट कनेक्ट. Yes, obviously the students parent connection and parent teacher connection will be there, so that the parent will have the more idea about your progress. And obviously you are going to get the study planner also. यहाँ पर आपको आपके लिए खुद का एक स्टडी प्लानर जो है वो मिल जाएगा. सो ये सारे जो क्या है प्लस एंड आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शंस के बेनिफिट्स है. सो इसके साथ साथ मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगी, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू हैव द क्लास 9, 10th, 11th, 12th सब्सक्रिप्शन एंड इफ यू आर गोइंग टू हैव क्लास 10th, क्लास 11th एंड 12th सब्सक्रिप्शन, दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या रहेगा और बेनिफिट क्या है. देखिए पहले लेट मी टेल यू अबाउट द क्लास 9, 10th, 11th एंड 12th सब्सक्रिप्शन फॉर प्लस. ठीक है, अभी प्लस के लिए आपको देखिए सब्सक्रिप्शन कैसे रहेंगे. फॉर 3 months यू आर गोइंग टू हैव the 2,500 per month, that is totally 7,500 for 3 months. Then for 6 months you are going to have the 10,000 for total 6 months, that is 1,667 for per month. And yes, obviously you are going to get the 33% off, that is 30% discount also. Now if you are going for the 12-month subscription, you are going to get the 50% off, and you are going to have 1,250 per month obviously, and you are going to have the total package of 15,000. जी हाँ, 15,000 का जो है पूरा पैकेज रहेगा. वैसे if you are going for the 15-month subscription, you are going to get totally 1,200 for per month with 18,000 for total 15 months on 52% off discount. If you are going for the 18 months, you are going to get the 56% off with 1,111 rupees per month and 20,000 rupees for totally 18 months. So likewise, if you are going for the 24 months, then you are going to have the 1042 for per month, and you are going to have the 25,000 for totally 24 months. Now, if you are going for the 36 months, you are going to get the 64% off on 889 per month and 32,000 for totally 36 months. Now, if you are going for the 48 months, then you are going to have the 833 per month and 40,000 for totally 48 months. So, जितना आप लोग ज़्यादा सब्सक्रिप्शन लोगे उतना आपको क्या मिलेगा, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट जो है वो मिलेगा. सो अगर आप लोगों को आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना है, क्लास 9, 10, 11 एंड 12 के लिए क्लास आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना है, तो आपके लिए पैकेजेस कैसे रहेगी. देखिए, पहले की तरह 3 मंथ्स रहेगा, 4,000 per month and 12,000 for totally 3 months. Now, if you are going for 6 months, you are going to get the 29% off and 17,000 for 6 months and 2,833 for per month. Likewise, if you are going for the 12 months, you are going to get the 42% off discount, and you are going to have the 2,333 for per month and 28,000 for totally 12 months. Now, if you are going for the 15 months, then you are going to get the totally 47% discount. And yes, obviously you are going to have the 2,133 per month with the 32,000 for 15 months totally. Now, if you are going for the 18 months, you will get the totally 1,944 for per month with 51% discount and 35,000 for totally 18 months. So, if you go for the 24 months, you will get the 48,000 total whole package with the 2,000 per month on 50% discount. Then if you are going for the 36 months, then you will have the package of 66,000 with 1,833 per month. And if you are lastly going for the 48 months, then you are going to have the total package of the 83,000 with 1,729 per month. That is totally 57%. So based on your choices, you can take your subscriptions also. So जितना आप ज़्यादा सब्सक्रिप्शन लोगे उतने आपको डिस्काउंट जो है वो ज़्यादा मिलता जाएगा. So the next one, let me tell you about the class 10th, 11th and 12th subscription for both the Plus as well as the Iconic. देखिए, आइकनिक आपको लोगों को पता चला होगा वो जो कि है प्लस का थोड़ा सा एडवांस्ड है. सो आइकनिक के लिए और प्लस के लिए हमारे पास 3, 6, 12, 15, 18, 24 एंड 36 मंथ्स के सब्सक्रिप्शन है. सो लाइकवाइज जो है आइकनिक के भी रहेंगे 3, 6, 12, 15, 18, 24 and 36 months. Now, if you are going for the 3-month subscription for Plus, you are going to have the 7,500 for whole 3 months with 2,500 for per month. If you are going for 6 months, then you are going to have the 10,000 for total package and 1,667 per month with 31% off. If you are going for 12 months, you are going to have the 15,000 package and 1,215 per month with 50% off. If you are going for 15 months, you are going to get the 18,000 for the whole package, and you are going to have the 1,200 per month with 52% off. If you are going for the 18 months, you are going to have the 20,000 package for the 18 months with 1,111 for per month. If you are going for 24 months, you will get the 25,000 package for all months and 1,042 package for the per month. If you are going for 36 months, you are going to have the package for 32,000 with the 889 per month. So आपको डिस्काउंट जो है वो 64% ऑफ मिलेगा. So likewise for Iconic, if you are going for 3 months, you will get the 12,000 as well as you are going to get the 4,000 for per month. If you are going for 6 months for Iconic, you will get the 17,000 package with 2,830. If you are going for 12 months, then you are going to have the 28,000 for the whole package with 2,333 per month. If you are going for 15 months, you will get 32,000 for whole the package, and you will get the 2,133 package per month with 47% off. If you go for 18 months, you will get the 35,000 whole package and 1,944 per month. Now, if you go for 24 months, you will have the 48,000 for whole package with 2000 per month, and if you are going for 36 months, you will get the 66,000 for whole the package and 1833 for per month with 54% ऑफ. जितना आप ज़्यादा लोगे उतना आपको क्या मिलेगा, सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है एडवांटेज जो है ज़्यादा मिलेगा. सो बेस्ड ऑन योर चॉइस यू कैन हैव द सब्सक्रिप्शंस. So let me tell you of the upcoming Academy Combat. So you can win the scholarships worth the most challenging battle to level up preparation and practice for class 9th and class 10th, and obviously it is the पढ़ाई के साथ साथ आपको क्या मिलेगा, अच्छे प्राइस मिलेंगे, प्राइस वर्थ रुपीज अप टू दी 1 करोड़. ऑब्वियसली इससे भी पहले एक दो ऑलरेडी कमबैक हम लोगों ने ले चुके हैं हम बैक, एंड दैट इज वेरी वेरी सक्सेसफुल. So इसका पैटर्न कैसे लगा दे, look, you will be having the 30 questions for the 45 minutes. The test will be in the both, that is Hindi as well as English language. आपकी जो टेस्ट है, आप लोग फ्री लाइव टेस्ट ऑन एंड्रॉइड, आपके पास एंड्रॉइड ऐप भी होगा, आपके पास एंड्रॉइड मोबाइल भी होगा तो भी चलेगा. अगर आपके पास एप्पल है वो भी चलेगा. देन इफ यू आर हैविंग योर ओन लैपटॉप देन नो प्रॉब्लम. सो ये कॉम्बैक जो है इट विल बी ऑन दी 1 August, and you can enroll in the description given below our videos. And yes, obviously it will be for the classes class 9th and class 10 at 11 AM. Date लिख लीजिए 1 August 2021. So you are going to have the plus 10% off on Unacademy Plus and Unacademy subscription. So you can use my code, that is DDLive, for the 10% off. And yes, obviously download the Unacademy app now and try all these features for free. And you can use my code, that is TDLive, and get it on the Google Play as well as you can download from the Apple Store. So that's all for today's lecture. Bye. Unacademy, let's go.